Hi, I'm Marna, and today we're going to show you two Baby Alive hacks. And one is very, very easy, and the other one is not so easy. I'm going to give you a caution here. You're on your own. We're going to use Pokey things and Cutty things. So the first hack is so simple. This is what we did when I was a little girl. We had drinking wet dolls plus our teddy bear. Take a washcloth and fold it over diagonally. Put your baby's body up, bottom up first, side, and you kind of wrap that under for sizing. I forgot to do that on the first side, and yes, it matters, or it goes down to their knees, and you don't want that. And it also doesn't hold in the things coming through the baby as well. And then you take a large safety pin and pin that on your doll. That's what we did. And then we hung clothesline or strings across the room, and we washed them out by hand and hung them to dry on the line. The other day we showed you that we had gone to the Dollar Tree and we got two pacifiers for $1. And they fit this particular Baby Alive pretty good. And as I understand it, this size fits the Baby Alive, or several Baby Alive, several different makes and models. Okay, but it doesn't trigger the doll. There's nothing, but it doesn't make the suck. So what you need, and most of you know this already, is a magnet. Well, we got these, these are magnets. What are they called again? And what we did was this little knob was on the inside of the pacifier, and it held the nipple in place on the back of this. Okay, see that? And the first thing we had to do, and it took some time, and you have to do it carefully, there's a little ridge you can see on the purple, that little ridge there. And what you do is you take a Cutty thing that is very, a box knife is really good because they are more stable than a scalpel. But take that all the way around, slow and easy, and pop that end off. After the end is off, then you cut this little tab off so that this lays flat against the pacifier. So I'm sure you've already guessed what we're going to do is glue this magnet that's very strong into this pacifier. And it does, you can hear that it will trigger the doll. And we're going to use super glue, and you know how that goes for me. Wait, let me turn this off because she's going to kick her way off the table. Okay, we are super gluing this first to one side. Darren says there's no front and back. My luck, there will be. And I'm going to center that because we're going to come back. See, there I am, all sticky. Okay, and then we're going to do this side and put the glue all around. And then we're going to put this, line it up so that it's still round. See my hands getting in the super glue? And my cameraman is laughing. And you want to line your hanger, holder, thumbnail up with the pacifier, and then let that sit for 24 hours. Okay, the pacifier has sat. I took an empty baby bottle, which most of you will have if you have Baby Alive dolls. If not, you can use any empty bottle, even like a water bottle. to let this stand upwards so that you can keep it straight. Otherwise, it might just slide off. So we're going to take it and we're going to glitter glue it. I learned a few things about glitter glue. Katie, that's my puppy. They're always playing. As soon as I get behind the camera, we start playing and wanting mom to do things. Okay, so I buy these at the Dollar Tree. There's 15 in here for $1. Great deal because it goes a long way. I'm very surprised. Has a weird smell. I did see these at Dollar General in other colors you may be very interested in, like purple and incandescent, and I'm trying to remember what else was in that pack, but it was more expensive and I think there were less in it. When you switch colors, you need, I thought I could use that up. I hate wasting, but I ran that out so that I could go from blue to gold. And all we're going to do is swing that handle back, and we are going to fill in around, always have an extra glue stick. I might need 2 extra today. I might not be good at this, but you'll get the idea. And we are going to fill that in all the way around. And I'm using the glitter just to give it a little pop. You could use a regular glue gun. I would suggest glue guns are not that expensive. If you're going to use the glitter and you have a regular craft glue gun, buy another glue gun for your glitter. Okay, let me unplug this. That's not so beautiful. I guess it's too artsy and I don't have my glasses on, so there's my excuses. All righty. Oh, I kind of let that sit in there. See the strings? Pull all those as soon as it dries. This does not take a lot of time to dry. As you can see, I'm all set up for other Baby Alive crafts and ready to go. So we are going to turn our little girl on. Let's see. On and on. I always have to catch them because they'll wiggle off the table. All right, we're going to give this a second to dry. And then we're going to put it in her mouth, and immediately you can hear her sucking on it. See how the glitter glue gives a pop to that, and it also hides the battery.
Magnet.
Yeah, hides the magnet. And there you go. Thank you for watching our video. I do want to remind you that this particular hack, pacifier hack, and perhaps the diaper, is not for someone under 18 or those that are accident prone. It is, you will be using the knife, and it is a tight area to work in. Please leave a like and comment whether you would try this or not.